In today's video, I will walk you through how to use BingX Demo Trading. If you want to practice trading on BingX without using real money, Demo Trading is the feature you need. Start by logging in to your BingX account. Demo Trading uses virtual USDT, which is a demo balance made for practice trading only. It has no real value and can't be withdrawn, but it lets you experience the futures trading interface without risking real funds. New users typically receive virtual USDT automatically when they register. On the website, go to Assets tab, open Futures account, then select USD/NDM perp and find virtual USDT there. Open that section to view your demo balance. From the virtual USDT page, tap or click Demo Trading. This will open the demo trading environment for BingX Futures. Make sure the trade is being placed from your virtual USDT account and not from a live futures balance. That way, you'll be using demo funds instead of real funds. Once you're on the trading screen, choose the futures pair you want to practice with, such as BTC to USDT. Then select the order type you want to use, like a market order or limit order. Enter the position size, adjust leverage if needed, and review the trade details on the screen. If you expect the price to go up, place a long position. If you expect the price to go down, place a short position. After you confirm the order, BingX will open the demo trade using your virtual USDT balance. You can then monitor your open position, unrealized profit and loss, and order details from the position section, just like you would in live futures trading. Since it works similarly to real trading, it's a useful way to practice placing orders, testing strategies, and getting comfortable with the BingX futures layout before trading with real funds. If your virtual USDT balance gets too low, BingX also lets eligible users apply for more demo funds, as long as the account meets BingX's balance conditions for virtual USDT. And that's it. That's how to use BingX Demo Trading.